ganito. Sooner or later, we will be graduation. And we will
This recognition was conferred during the 2026 National Women's Day celebration as lasting token of appreciation of women in their service that is respected in the high excellence. Given the celebrate day on March 2026 at our
but when you leave, it's for time.
team certificate of recognition is specifically that team women as team leads GFI, represented the Congress of Women Education, and women as assistant PCR
Right. Really, truly, that's the fundamental learning of this journey.
Trade your heavy heart for a heart of joy. Celebrate what God has done. Join the song of
Aside from the academics, of course, yung ginagawa mo kahapon, mag-machine, just only, again, saying that before you leave this center, you are ensuring that, you know,
I'm waiting for the word, waiting on the right hand to God. Pati, waiting on the community. Yeah, you guys are already in that.